Let me show you all how I use Canva Pro for free. If you are one of us that cannot afford to pay for Canva monthly subscription, this is for you. Go to canva.com and create new account by clicking sign up for free and clicking on continue with email. Type your email and create your password. Confirm your email through the code sent to your email and boom, you are on Canva. Now let's get the Pro account for free. Click the 3 lines at the left top of the screen, locate and click on Try Canva Pro down below. Click on Start My Free Trial. I'm going to click on Monthly option and click Next. Don't worry here, you are not going to be debited. Click on the credit or debit card option and input your card details. And after that, click on Get Your Free Trial to be given a Pro account. Congratulations, you have been given a Pro account. The first thing to do is to click on the 3 lines located at the left top side of the screen. Scroll down to Settings, click on it and scroll down to Billing and Plans. Click on it and scroll down to Canva Pro. Click on the 3 dots beside it and click Cancel. Keep on with the cancellation. I can't afford it or whatever. Just click any option and continue cancellation until you are given this kind of message. Your Canva Pro subscription has been canceled, but you will still have access to Canva Pro until your subscription ends on 30 days' time. Now you have Canva Pro to use for free for 30 days, but the bad news is that after 30 days, you won't be able to have access to the Pro version again. But here is a quick fix many people don't know. After your Pro version expires within 30 days' time, go to Google and search for Temp Mail. Click on the first website that shows up. Temp Mail is a disposable email site that you're going to use to create another account on Canva. And after you create an account with this mail on Canva, you are going to repeat the process of what we did earlier by starting another free trial and canceling it immediately after you are given a Pro account. One thing to bear in mind is do not use the same email you used in the first place and do not use the same browser you used in the first place to register for another Pro account. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, consider subscribing to my channel. It's what keeps the lights on around here.